In this video, we're going to talk about the 5 iOS 16 tips that you need to know. Let's jump right in with number 1. This is a cool feature of iOS 16. Click on Messages, and now you can hold down on a text message and either edit or undo the send altogether. In iOS 16, you can click on Photos, pick a photo, hold down on that photo, and it removes just the object. Keep your finger down with the other thumb, swipe up, and you can open either Messages or Email and drop it right in to send it. If you like this video so far, I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button and thumbs up. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Click on Calculator, turn it sideways. Now you have a scientific calculator. On iOS 16, click on Settings, scroll down until you see Battery, click on Battery. Now, when you turn on battery percentage, it's shown right there up top on the right. From here, you can actually unsend an email. All you do is send the email, and then once it's sent, right there at the bottom, you'll see Undo Send, and then you can undo it. And you have up to 2 minutes to do that. If you want to learn even more iPhone tricks, check out this playlist right here. Thanks for watching and make it a great day.